Now, as you are able to see over here, I will be typing the three codes. One will be for square, one will be for disk, the other will be for circle. So what I am doing, I will be typing this particular code in the HTML or in the Google site. So you all are aware, we have to click on the Google sites. We are required to go to Insert tab. Under the Insert tab, we have to go for Embed. In Embed, I require to go for Embed Code. You all are aware the first code it is HTML. After HTML it is head. After head we all are aware it is title. Under title I will be giving list. I am closing the title part and then I will be closing the head part. After closing the head part, do remember to open the body tag. Now this till here it is clear. In body tag I will be giving UL. UL stands for unordered list. So I'm typing UL, that is unordered, and I'll be typing LI. LI it is listing. Beetroot, ginger, potato and radish. Remember last time we have given the name of the fruits. So this time it is beetroot. There is no need to close the LI. Without closing LI also the code will work. After beetroot it is ginger, potato. Ginger, potato, radish, and I'll be closing the UL. I'll be closing the UL, I'll be closing the body tag, I'll be closing the HTML tag. Now see what will happen to the code now. Click on next in order to see the output. Yes, you are able to see. By default it is disk only. I'm inserting it so that I'm able to show you the difference. I'm just deleting all the other codes so that I'm able to show you all that particular thing on one page. Now this is the first code. I'm just reducing the size of the code so that it is visible to all of us. And yes, we are able to incorporate all the three things on one particular page. Now, what I'm doing, this is the first unordered list. Again, insert. Just copy this code. How to copy this? You all are aware about this particular part. What I have done, see one more time. Select the output over there. The pencil tool will be disabled, will be enabled. Click on the edit button. Control A. Control A it is copy, select, and Control C it is copy. So it is done till here now. So one code is done. What I'm doing, insert, embed. Embed HTML code, I'm copying this part. Now, I will be typing square over here now. So are you able to see UL, that is unordered list, and I'm typing the attribute type equal to SQUAR, SQUARE. Click on next in order to see what is the output. Yes, I'm just inserting this, reducing the size, and dragging it at the top. This is disk, this is square. One more code, embed. Again embed code, just copy this part. UL type equal to, now I am giving circle. Click on next, insert, reduce the size and drag it at the top. So these are the different kinds of UL. UL stands for unordered list. UL, it is nothing but it is unordered list. Reducing the size further so that I will be able to drag it. Yes. Now these are the different types of unordered list. By default it will be disk. This is square. and this is circle. So these are the three kinds of unordered list which I have just shown in front of you. And you are able to see the difference also.